In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Epic Sport coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Epic Sports coupon promo code. Right here, as you can see, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this $10 discount, all you have to do is select copy code right here. This is the discount code. You can copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, we have this website which is called couponboards.com. And right here, we also have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want, let's say, to get this $10 off discount, all I have to do right here is select get code, and I can copy this promo code right here, and I can use it and apply on my next purchase in order to get this $10 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.